What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another tips and tricks video for your PlayStation, where today I'm going to be showing you guys two really interesting and somewhat surprising features of the new PlayStation 5. Remember, if you guys enjoy these videos, to please leave a like rating as well as a comment below, and we'll go ahead and we'll get started. So for those of you who are brand new to the PlayStation 5, there's a really interesting feature that actually lets you see your total accumulated playtime for any game that you've ever played. And yes, surprising enough, this also includes your games for PlayStation 4 as well. Now, accessing this feature is a bit of a secret because it's not quite as simple as just scrolling over to your games tab. To do this, you need to actually select your current user and then choose the profile option. Now, from here, you can select the games tab and then you should see a full list of all of your games and total playtime. Now, what's really interesting is that if you look really closely, you're going to notice that your PlayStation games are not actually sorted by total playtime. Instead, your games are sorted by what games are most recently played. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of this list, you can not only see some of the oldest games in your library, but you might be surprised to see the exact amount of days that it's been since you even played that game at all. Naturally, this might make anyone want to dust off some of these older games, but luckily the PS5 makes that extremely easy with pretty much seamless backwards compatibility with the PlayStation 4. So if you're someone who still has any of these older games on a disc or a portable hard drive, it's basically plug and play and you can pick up right where you left off all of those years ago. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful or at least interesting, and if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on the video, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.